So here's one of those pneumatic fan clutch wrench sets. All the different sizes of wrenches. So what I'm wondering is, what if there isn't any air and you can't get this main drive unit here into an air hammer? What do you do then? So the overall width of these things is about a 1/4 inch or so. So we're just going to use this tool, this fret. We just want to see if this is physically capable of holding that wrench. And it looks like it is. Okay, now, so this is basically just a quick, easy thing. So I need to try and keep it in place. Alright, so I want to measure roughly where this pipe is going to bottom out. So from that point right there, so I can make a little scribe mark. And I can come down here. Actually, we'll just run it with. So we are 1, 2, 3 1/4 inches. That's one of my tape measures that I make that just rolls up and throws in your pocket. Real tape measure is right here. Double check that measurement. Yeah, 3 1/4. So you want to go 3 1/4, and you're going to mark it right in here. So now we've got 3 1/4. I'm going to try and shoot for roughly about the middle or so. Alright, so here's the tool, and all I really did was just drill a little access hole in here so that it would hold itself in place. And then you can just put this back together. I just threw a little metric one on it, is all it was. And then, I've got one of these. It's a blue point, just hooks the bolt. And always remember, a fan comes off in the direction that it would travel. So if this fan actually turns opposite the engine, that's the way it comes off. So to tighten it, you're going to come back this way. And you want to grab onto one of these bolts down here, if you can get it, and just cinch it real good. And that's all you need. So if you have one of these kits where you're using an air hammer and you just don't have the air hammer available, or you don't have any pneumatics, this is just a quick, easy way to use the tool without having to go buy a bunch of different wrenches. So anyway, there's your quick thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.